Exercise 1A, first bit, first question. First bit, first question. If the function f is defined by f of x equal to x plus 2 x greater than 1 to minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 x minus 1 minus 3 less than x less than minus 1, then find first one f of 3, second f of 0, third f of minus 1.5, fourth f of 2 plus f of minus 2, fifth f of minus 5. Okay. So this is the question. Here the function definition is given like this. X greater than 1, we must choose expression. So for x greater than 1, x greater than 1 is if the value x equal to 5, 7, 10, 9, 2, whatever the values which are greater than 1, we should take this definition. Here f of x containing 3 types of definition. Whatever the value of x which is greater than 1, so we must keep expression. Next, if the value lies between minus 1 to plus 1, we must choose directly 2. We must keep the value to function value is equal to. So if the value which is lies between minus 3 to minus 1, we must take x minus 1. So if it is less than minus 3, there won't be any definition for the function. So for it is less than minus 3, the function value does not exist. So if it is minus 1 or plus 1, we should choose this definition only. Okay. Coming to the first question. First one, f of 3. First we must choose 3 belong to in this situation. Which situation it should be up? So x greater than 1, 3 greater than 1. So it is correct. First one correct. So x plus 2. Instead of x, we must write 3 plus 2 equal to 5. That is the solution. Second, f of 0. So 0, x value 0 in these 3 cases. So 0 greater than 1. 0 lies between minus 1 to 1. This is correct. So 0 doesn't lie between minus 3 to minus 1. So this situation is correct. According to this situation, what is the definition? 2. Simply it is. Next, third, f of minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 lies between in the third 1 to 3, this condition. So we must choose this definition, x minus 1. X equal to minus 1.5 minus 1 equal to minus 2.5. Okay, next f fourth, f of 2 and f of minus 5. I want to find individually. F of 2 equal to, so 2 must satisfy this situation. So x plus 2, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. F of minus 2, minus 2 belong to, so minus 2 doesn't belong to this situation. So minus 2 lies between minus 3 to 1, minus 1. So x minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 equal to minus 3. So f of 2 plus f of minus 2 equal to, f of 2 equal to 4. F of minus 2 equal to minus 3, 4 minus 2 equal to 1. Next, fifth, f of minus 5. So, if we are taking f of minus 5, x value minus 5 not satisfying any condition. So, f of minus 5 does not exist. So, this is the solution. Similar kind of problem in example we will do in the class also. So example, if the function f is defined by, if the function f is defined by, if the function f is defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 2, x greater than 3. Next, x square minus 2. minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to f of 2.5, f of minus 2, f of minus 4, f of 0, f of minus 7, f of minus 7. Okay, now we will think solution. So here also three definitions are given for f of x according to the condition. We must select the condition according to the value. F of 4 equal to 4 x greater than 3. So 4 greater than 3, we must choose the first condition. 3x minus 2. First I want to write 3 into x value 4 minus 2. 3 into 4, 12 minus 2 equal to 10. Next, f of 2.5. 2.5 won't satisfy this condition. So x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3. Minus 2 less than or equal to x. Less than or equal to x. Less than or equal to. Okay, less than or equal to. Between 2 and 3 there won't be any definition is given. So not exists. This value is not exist. Next, f of minus 4 equal to minus 4 less than minus 3. Satisfying third equation. First I want to write 2x plus 1. 2 of x minus 4 plus 1. 2 into minus 4 minus 8 plus 1 equal to minus 7. Next, f of minus 4 completed. F of minus 2 not completed. F of minus 2 we will do. F of minus 2. So minus 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to. So this is the condition. So we are taking minus 2, we are taking 2. So if it is minus 2, second condition is satisfied. So x square minus 2. Minus 2 whole square minus 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. F of minus 2 equal to 2. Next, f of 0. So 0 lies between minus 2 to 2. So same condition, x square minus 2. 0 square minus 2. 0 minus 2 equal to minus 2. F of next one minus 7. Minus 7 lies less than minus 3. Third condition satisfied. So 2x plus 1. 2 into minus 7 plus 1. Minus 14 plus 1 equal to minus 5. So this is the first bit, seventh question. If f of x plus y equal to f of xy for all x comma y belong to R, prove that f is a constant function. Prove that f is a constant function. So taking proof, f of x plus y equal to f of xy. F of x plus y equal to f of xy. So put x equal to 0, y equal to f of x plus y equal to f of xy. X equal to y equal to 1. F of 0 plus 1 equal to f of 0 into 1. So f of 1 equal to f of 0. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 2. F of 0 plus 2 equal to f of 0 into 2. So f of 2 equal to f of 0. So if whatever the value you may take for y, if you take f of x equal to 0, then function value of 0 is equal to function value of each and every member. So therefore f of 0 equal to f of 1 equal to f of 2 equal to up to so on. So it is nothing but f of x equal to constant fixed value. So for all x belong to R, therefore f is a constant function. F is a constant function. So if we are substituting x equal to 0, y equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, f of 0 is equal to all the values. All the values which are equal, all the images are which are equal to f of 0. So it is a constant function. Next, second bit, first question. Second bit, first question. So second bit, first if A equal to x side minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, f of x equal to x square, g of x equal to x cube, g of x equal to x cube. Which of the following are suggestions? Which of the following are suggestions? So first one, f from A to A, g from A to A. So f from A to A, g from A to A. So which of the following is suggestion? So solution: f of x equal to x cube, g of x equal to x cube. So a equal to x from minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. We need to take all the real numbers lying between minus 1 to plus 1. So I am taking f of x equal to x square. So let us consider element in codomain of f of x. So f from A to A, let y belong to A codomain. So if there exists suggestion means codomain equals n. If we are taking any element in codomain, it must have preimage. Okay, f of x equal to x square. Then there exists x belong to A. Such that f of x equal to y. For example, I am taking minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So minus 1, 0, 1. Square of minus 1 plus 1. Square of 0, 0. Square of 1, 1. Here the negative numbers are not associated with anything. So it is not an onto function. So f of x equal to x square equal to y. X equal to root 1. So root of all numbers will not exist here. The negative numbers are also here. So it is not belong to A. So therefore f is not surjection. So next, if we are taking about B, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. Cube of minus 1, cube of 0, 0, cube of 1, 1. So A to A. So G from A to A. So let's y belong to A codomain. So then there exists x belong to A in domain. G of x equal to y. So x should be associated with y. What is g of x? X cube equal to y. X equal to cube root of y. So for negative numbers, square root does not exist, but cube root is exists. So belong to A. So square root of minus 1 does not exist. Cube root of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So G is surjection. F is not surjection, but G is surjection. Okay. So this is the injections, surjections, bijections justify your answer. So here 6 questions are given. So function, domain and codomain are given. The definition of the function is also given. We need to check whether the function is 1, 1 or onto or bijection. So first one, f r to r, f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. So we have definition for 1, 1 function. F of x1 equal to f of x2, then x1 equal to x2. So let's x1 comma x2 belong to this domain. F of x1 equal to f of x2. So 2x1 plus 1 by 3 equal to 2x1 plus 1 by 3. 3 cancel 2x2. 2x1 plus 1 equal to 2x2 plus 1. 1 cancel. 2 also cancel. x1 equal to x2. So if the images are equal, then three images are also equal. Therefore f is 1. In this case it is 1. Next, taking. So R, I am taking element in R codomain. Let's y belong to R codomain. then there exists x belongs to R. X is also element in this. If y is element in this, then there exists x is element in domain such that it is associated. Such that f of x equal to y. What is f of x? 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to y. Implies 2x plus 1 equal to 3y. 2x equal to 3y minus 1. X equal to 3y minus 1 by 2. So since y is real number, all these are real numbers. So the result is also real number. So x is real number. So it is f is R2. So given that already we proved f is 1 1, now it is f is R2. Therefore f is bijection. F is bijection. Okay, next second. Coming to the second one, f from R to 0 to infinity. F from R to 0 to infinity. F of x equal to 2 power x. F of x equal to 2 power x. Letting two elements let x1, x2 belong to R. F of x1 equal to f of x2. 2 power x1 equal to 2 power x2. 2 power x1 equal to 2 power x. Bases are equal, powers are also equal. x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. F is 1 1. Next. So this is R, this is 0 to infinity. Let y is element in codomain 0 to infinity. Then there exists x is element in R such that f of x equal to y. What is f of x? 2 power x equal to y. 2 power x equal to y. So x equal to log y base 2. So a power x equal to b. I want to convert the exponent form to logarithm form. So log y base 2. So since all the logarithm values, this should be positive. Y should be positive. Here it is given 0 to infinity. If it is given other than 0 to infinity, it won't be exist. Because logarithm is exist only for positive values. So this is exist log y base 2. So log y base 2 exists. For example, other than 0 to infinity, if it is R, so it won't be exist. So it is existing. So it should be belong to R. So f is R2. Since f is 1 1 and R2, therefore f is bijection. Next, coming to the third one. Third, f from 0 to infinity to R. F of x equal to log x base. Log x base. So let us consider x1 and x2 belong to R. Belong to 0 to infinity. Domain is 0 to infinity. So belong to 0 to infinity. F of x1 equal to f of x2. So in a 1 1 function we are taking the elements from domain. In the order function, first element we should keep from the codomain. So f of x1 equal to f of x2. Log x1 base e equal log x2 base e. So x1 equal to x2. So since x1 equal to x2, therefore f is 1 1. Here also it is 1 1. I am taking. So this is 0 to infinity. This is R. So 0 to infinity. This is R. Next, let y belong to R. Then there exists x belong to 0 to infinity such that f of x equal to y. So f of x equal to what? Log x base e equal to y. X equal to e power y. So e power y. So log x base e power y is the number, positive number. Whatever the number we are taking, so the power should be positive. So overall base is positive, the exponent is always positive, so it should be right between 0 to infinity. So therefore G is f is R2. So here also 1 1 R2, therefore f is bijection. In these three situations, all are 1 1 and R2. Now we will discuss about these three. So observe, all the f of x equal to x square, but these will be different. What happened we will see. next fourth question. F from 0 to infinity to 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity to 0 to infinity f of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x square. So we must take two elements. x1 comma x2 belong to 0 to infinity domain. F of x1 equal to f of x2. F of x1 equal to f of x2. So f of x1 square equal to x2 square. So square root x1 equal to plus or minus x2. x1 equal to either plus x2. Square of 4 16. Square of minus 4 is also 16. So x1 equal to x2 or x1 equal to minus x2. So here two possibilities, but the domain, the elements in domain 0 to infinity, all should be positive. So x1 equal to minus x2 is not possible. x1 not equal to minus x2 implies x1 equal to x2. If it is other than 0 comma infinity, if it is given r, then there exist two choices. So those two elements having same image, that's why it is not a one-one function. If domain is other than 0 to infinity, so it is 0 to infinity, so only x1 equal to x2 is possible, therefore f is 1 1. So in the other situation, fifth, f from r to 0 to infinity, r to 0 to infinity, f of x equal to x square. So x1 comma x2 belong to domain R. So f of x1 equal to f of x2. x1 square equal to x2 square. x1 equal to plus or minus x2. Here we are having two choices because in real numbers there are positive numbers, there are negative numbers. So either x1 equal to plus x2, either x1 equal to minus x2. So for 4 image 16, minus 4 image is also 16. There exist two images. So this is not, it is not one-one function. It is not one-one function. So same problem here. Sixth, f of x, f from r to r, f of x equal to x square. So here x1 comma x2 belong to r. Next f of x1 equal to f of x2. So x1 square equal to x2 square. x1 equal to plus or minus x2. If the domain is R, so it is not, in domain R there exist plus values, minus values, so it is not one-one function. It is not one-one function. And next, coming to the onto, so 0 to infinity to 0 to infinity to 0 to infinity. So I am taking y is the element, y belong to, let y belong to 0 to infinity. So this is codomain. Then there exists x belong to 0 to infinity. X also belong to 0 to infinity. Such that x associated with y. F of x equal to y. What is f of x? X square. X square equal to y. X square equal to y. X equal to root y. If we are taking this is positive values, so root is exists. If it is other than 0 to infinity, if it is something else, so if there exists any negative, root is not exist. So here it is 0 to infinity, so it is exists. So first same steps I want to write here. Later I want to decide. Let. So this is 0 to r to 0 to infinity. Next, so let us consider y when there exists x. So let y belong to 0 to infinity codomain. So then there exists x belong to r, f of x equal to y. So what is f of x? X square equal to y, x equal to root. Same steps here also. So r to r, let y belong to r, codomain y belong to r. Then there exists x belong to r. This is domain such that f of x equal to y. What is f of x? X square equal to y. X square equal to y. X equal to root. So if we observe y the elements 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity means positive. So square root of positive is exists. So it belongs to 0 to infinity. It belongs to 0 to infinity. So here this is 0 to infinity. So the square root is exist. Square root is exist means belong to domain. So this is also exist. So here it is existing, here also it is existing. So here the total values are in this positive numbers, negative numbers. Positive numbers, negative numbers. So for negative numbers, square root does not exist. So this one belong to this one belong to 0 to infinity domain. This one belong to domain. This one not belong to domain. So if it is belong to domain, it is surjection. It is surjection. It is also surjection. It is not surjection. So this function neither 1 nor onto. This function onto but not 1 1. This function 1 1 and onto. Therefore, f is bijection. So this is the